Alright, so I'm gonna make this my bicycle because I found out that the front wheel don't have air, so I'm gonna check if it has a puncture or not. So I'm gonna make it because tomorrow is a weekend. We are heading for the shopping, so let's proceed. Guys, where the bubbles are, that is where the puncture is. All right, we need to make it a little bit rough. I have everything here, so okay, so we're done. We're done with what we were making. Bang bang. Looking nice. Nice and clean. I'll check again. Oh, I put a patch where it's not supposed to be. Check for the second time. Very good. Go. Done. This one is done. This one is the one I started with, so the second one is done. So now I'm not gonna use these things, the wheel or whatever, I don't know. I'm not gonna use them anymore. It will be very, very dark soon. Oh yeah! How can this happen? Okay. It didn't get well inside, but now it's okay. We made it! We made it! I did it! Oh, shit! This my pump is just a crazy one. It's okay. Africa thinks they never get well. They're always up and down. Oh shit! What a... Hey. What a cuckoo! ready for tomorrow occasions. We're going for the shopping. Woohoo. Good morning, internet. We are heading to town, so we just want to proceed to Bondo right now. Let's go. Go. Beru. We are now leaving the main road and we want to follow the shortcut. I'll watch my back. This is the shortcut to the market. Shortcut to the market. The market. Today is Saturday. Market here is Friday. Buy if here. Hello.
Good morning. Good evening to bwana uki wanyakim na ukikao kichunguti yol kanya bwana. Ano kabomba kabiri nyawa. Ngeri ya taraka kuvule mejiti tieme kata.
Ana gepi ya wangi kimanya yote chini. Nino kepe.
No.
Yeah, you can go first, if you like. Yeah, I need to go, which I don't have a bag. Of course. Yeah, things are rising. That was so surprising today. Kani. I forgot the list. I got the list, but I've already forgot. I didn't carry it with me. Oh, we need water. Water is very, very important. What's that? All right. They're doing a bench there. We are heading home very soon. We finished the shopping and now we are heading back home. So we say bye bye to the Puncture. We have our shopping here. Very big road, 6 kilometers ahead of us. Alright, so let's go home. See you at home. We made it back home. We made it back home with our shopping at the back on the bicycle.